I have placed all official links in my video description. You simply click on it and you will come here and join this amazing platform. So dear friends, here you also check that 2% burn on every buy and sell at the journey to become a butterfly begins now. Here you also check out the contract address, and dear friends, there is a no dev token, no roadmap, 100% community driven. Now you can also buy CPL token, as well as you can also check out the DEX tool for chart analyze, as well as it is available on the La token, and they have partners with other exchange as well. Here we also check out the token mix. Here you also check out the starting supplies 50,000 and 19.2% burn, as well as the remaining supplies 40.3 thousands as well. Here you also check there is a 2% token tax, as well as 2.2k holder already here. Here we also check out the story of the Caterpillar token, and you also learn more information. So Caterpillar token is a meme coin on the Binance Smart Chain. It has no dev, no roadmap, and a renounced contract. So it is 100% community driven. Now you can join this token, as well as I also recommend it to all of you. Now you can also join their social media to get latest news and updates, and here you also meet the NFT as well. Here you also check out the Caterpillar milestones and media, and you also check out and watch the video, learn more information. And here you also check out the milestone like that roadmap. So check out everything step by step like that. In April 2024 it is launched, and $1,000 MC achieved. In May 2024 they have 250k thousand MC achieved, and Battle Pillars NFT released, 10% token burn achieved, and 1500 plus holder. Here you also check out the July 2024 everything they have listed on the Queen Market Cap listing, and 500k dollar MC achieved, 50% token burn achieved, Umud Aku YouTube videos, and much more. Here you also check out the journey of the August 2024 like that. They have listed on the La token exchange, and more videos on the YouTube channel, as well as here you also check out the September C2 exchange, as well as articles on meme coin season as well. Here you also check out everything about you can join the Caterpillar army right now. Here must be join their social media. Here you also check out the Battle Pillars as well, and you can also meet one of 10 ancient warriors and win 0.20 BNB as well. So here including 10 unique ancient warriors, and with a payout of 0.20 BNB when minted as well. Here you also check out the contract address, and you also check out the mints detail here as well. Here already 69 NFT minted, and the bounties remaining are only 7 as well. Here you also mint on the rear board as well. Here you also check out the cocaine detail as well, and BIP20 community donation wallet is here. You also donate here as well. Now one by one let's check out how can we buy this amazing token. So first of all, here you also check out they have partnership with F.ai, and find out link in my video description. Here we also check out the CPL with WBNB. Here you also check out its current price, as well as you also analyze this price chart here. Now you can also trade here, you can also buy or sell as well. And here on the dextool.io we analyze its price chart, and you also check out its current price, and now you can also check it is ready to make a bullish, and then you also check out its market cap, and as well as liquidity detail and holders detail. The holders are increasing day by day, and here you also check out the 24-hour volume as well. Here we also check out the DEX score 83 over 99, so it's pretty good and it is reliable and trusted. Everyone here you also check they are buying. Now it is golden time for you to must be buy it, and later you can sell and make a lot of passive income as well. Here you also check out it is available on the La token exchange, and find out link in my video description. Here you also check with USDT pair, and you also check out its journey, and once again it is ready to make their bullish again as well. Here you also buy this token, and you also check out more information as well, and you also buy here. And if you want to be swapped, then you need to come on the PancakeSwap, and first you need to add this token here, and then you need to connect your wallet. Like that, you can choose MetaMask Trust Wallet, Quantum, or OKX wallet, or any other wallet in which you have your some BNB. Then here you need to enter your amount, how much you want to be spent. Like that, if you want to be spent 0.2 BNB, then you will check out how much CPL coin you can get here. So it is very easy way to swap it right now, to connect your wallet. You can buy it right now, you can hold it, and later you can sold and make a lot of passive income as well. So dear friends, it is also available on CoinMarketCap, and here you also check out its current price, and you also check out the market cap as well. Here you also check out the 24-hour volume as well. You also analyze the price chart here as well. Now you also check out the market detail, and it is also available on the Ethereum, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and LAR token as well. So dear friends, the application for the CoinGecko is already submitted, and you also check out all the exchanges are trusted and reliable, and I also recommend it to all of you. Must be follow them on their social media, like that follow them on their Twitter account to get latest news and updates as well. And 2 more Telegram communities are joining the Caterpillar token fund that bring us to 5. Here you also join its Telegram community to attract their growing and active community as well. So I have also placed link in my video description, and must be join its Telegram community as well. So dear friends, this is a great project, and you have a golden chance to buy it right now, and it can really help to make a lot of passive income in future as well. So dear friends, you can also buy NFT, and you can mint here. Simply click on the NFT, and then here you need to click mint on rare board, and then you will be drive here. And here you also check out the only platform you need to mint, trade, and explore NFT. Here you also trade and mint and learn more about rare board as well. Here you need to connect your wallet, and you can also choose any wallet like that, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Quantum, or any other wallet in which you have your balance as well. And now you also check out the trending detail here, and you also check out the amazing NFT collections here as well. Now you can also buy or mint here as well. Now here we can also check out the launchpad and explore collections mint on rare board, and you also find upcoming collections details. So if you want to be here, you also check out the minting now, and you can also participate and mint it here. If you want to be list your collections, so apply for listing, and here you also check out some sold out NFTs as well. Now move on next and check out the leaderboard, and here you also check out the user leaderboard, mint, and to trade through rare board to climb the leaderboard. So rank on the leaderboard are often assigned whitelist sport from collections minting or launchpad on Blast. 100% of Blast gold will be distributed to rare board users. Here you also learn more information, and you also check out the chain like that, BNB, Polygon, and other, and you also check out the trial, trades, mint, and cats detail, and check out everything here as well. Now here we can also check out the analytics and explore real-time NFT marketplace data from the 18 marketplace on the BNB Smart Chains, and learn more information. You also check out 24 over 7 days, 30 days, years, and all as well. Here you also check out the BNB Smart Chain NFT market trend and learn more before investing here as well. Now you also check out the best and suitable marketplace here like that, OpenSea, Elementor, Top NFT, PancakeSwap, Bit5, NFT Trade, and much more is here as well. Now move on and let's check out different articles and about the project, and you can also learn more information here about the rare boards. And here you also check out and read out these articles and learn more guidelines about this project and learn here as well. So dear friends, this is an awesome project that can really help you make a lot of passive income. You can also buy Caterpillar token and mint your NFT as well. So I hope so you like this video. Share with your friends. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.